Hello guys, I hope you are quite well. These are happy Easter background and design banner with colorful egg. You can easily download from the link in the description. This file is free to download, and here is my website by GFX. You just simply drop here by clicking the link in the description and you can download from here. And where is this EPS file format, JPG file format? So just let me give you a quick review here. You can, this is a high quality EPS file, is customized, and here is JPG format, Easter face, and here is eggs, nest, Easter nuts, and you can see EPG format, EPS format. Here you can see JPG format and high resolution image. Basically, you download a mineral file when you click on the download button and you need to extract this. You can download other graphic templates from here, other graphic material, YouTube covers, and so on. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Take care.